What's up, guys? Crypto Patrick here, and right now the current market on all cryptocurrencies is pretty much down. We see Ripple up right now. I mean, Bitcoin Cash obviously is down, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. Everything is down right now. So one of the main questions people always want to know, like one of my friends, is holding a Litecoin. He's like, "Oh, I'm losing money right now." But one thing you have to realize is whenever the market's down like that, this is one of the biggest downturns we've had probably in the last week, is this is the perfect time to buy. You always want to buy on the dips. You don't want to buy when the market goes up. And if you want to see basically what's going on with the market cap, you can see, some of the trending things that have been happening. And if you look at the bar graph on the all time, you'll see that every single time Bitcoin goes down, it always consolidates and then goes back higher. So that's like one of the best times to buy. I mean, we look at Bitcoin right now. Just taking a look at that, even you get a good idea of the history. Let's go to here's an all-time high. Let's go to a year date. All right, maybe even let's do 1 year. Okay, so we're here at 1 year on Bitcoin. So last year it was $1,033, and that was in March. Then it went up. If you look right here, it went up to I gotta close that a little bit. It went up to 1,000 or 2,000, and then it dropped down again. What is that? To 2,000, 2,500, and then it went up again. It went down. Everyone thought, oh, it's losing money again. Don't invest. But then what did it do? It just went up again. This is what all cryptocurrency is doing. It goes down, then goes back up. See right here. If you look right here, it's been at 14,000. Then all of a sudden it went down to, what is that? Or no, it's at 16,000. Then it went down to 15. Then it went to 17, and then it dipped all the way to 13. And now it went up to 16, then it went up again. What I think is going to happen, I think it's going to keep going up. Obviously, one of the reasons why this is happening is because, there's a few reasons right now. The miner's fee is really high. If you look right now on just trading Bitcoin, this is one of the problems that they have on it right now. There's a few different things that happen and why the whole crypto market's down right now, but this is why it's down just right now. Bitcoin current mining fee. Okay, so you come right here, come to Bitcoin transaction for it. Says this is bitinfocharts.com. And if you look right now, the current fee, it should be like around $28. Look at $52 right here for that fee. I mean that's ridiculous. And looks like it might be lower, a little bit lower now, $40. You can look at other ones over here. How do I calculate my Bitcoin transaction fee? Here's another one. This kind of just shows you in real time what people are paying for it. I think that's $40. Estimated time in minutes and block. So those are just times. But let me show you a couple different examples, and then I'm going to show you guys what I think is going on here. Bitcoin transaction fees. Okay, here it is, 25 bucks. So the main price people are paying is around 25 bucks. The high was, $40, but now it's dipped back down again. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why it's happening. The next one is Bitcoin Cash had they discovered insider trading. So that basically hurt a lot of like on Coinbase, they think a lot of people were inside trading, but that kind of, made people scared. So the supply and demand went down. And then another thing that happened was over here. Well, one of the main guys of Litecoin he basically sold his shares, all of them, and that made people think that he knew something was going to happen, he knew the big crash was going to happen. Litecoin, so Charlie, his name is Charlie Lee, sells. Here you go. Okay, Litecoin founder Charlie Lee sells his holdings for millions and millions of dollars. So basically, that was one of the reasons why they think that the Bitcoin market was crashing right now. The miner's fee, that guy's selling. Coinbase thinking insider trading happened for this Bitcoin Cash. If you guys don't know about Bitcoin Cash, it's basically a split It's basically a fork that happened from Bitcoin, and the reason why they came out is because they didn't want these high transaction fees. It's only 99 or 90 cents right now to send on Bitcoin Cash, and they're trying to make it easier. And right now, Bitcoin is just like the main buzzword. But I think what's going to happen is when you look on Coinbase. Let me go back to Coinbase real quick. I think it's right over here. Okay, so when we're on Coinbase, we'll look at all the coins. This is what I think is going to happen. I think a lot of these coins, like right now, Bitcoin, you have a BitPay debit card. You can use Coinbase and get a Shift card. But I think Ethereum's going to start coming out with one. Already Bitcoin Cash you can use on the BitPay debit card. I made a video on that if you guys want to watch it. There's probably going to be a Litecoin debit card, an IOTA debit card. But right now, the BitPay just incorporated Bitcoin Cash. So now people that have Bitcoin that don't want to pay a big miner's fee can exchange into Bitcoin Cash and then exchange into USD. And if you're trying to buy Bitcoin but you don't want to use Coinbase, let me show you what's going on Coinbase real quick. Where is it? Let's go to Coinbase. Okay, so if you're on Coinbase, it'll show you what they accept right now. You can sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and like on Coinbase, it hooks straight up to your bank account. You can instantly convert with USD. But if you wanted to use your credit card and not use Coinbase, because you're outside the U.S., then you can go to CoinMama. Where's Coin? I think I have CoinMama. Yeah, CoinMama.com, right here. And with here, you can buy Bitcoins with your credit card. So you can do this with gift card, whatever you want to use. This would help you. You can buy with BitCard. It's fast. It's basically like fast tracking. And then there's Xcoins. And with Xcoins, you can use PayPal and a credit card. But this is just a way to buy Bitcoin. If you guys want to, buy Bitcoin and buy some of these other coins and start trading, you can use this one. And the reason why I think it's going to compound and come higher, and this is why it's a good time to buy, is because Goldman Sachs, all these people are still making their trading desk. There's still a lot of improvements. The Lightning Network's probably going to come out for Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash, all these debit cards are coming out. Cryptocurrency is still in the infant stages. The best time to buy is on the dips. You don't want to buy when it's going up, because then that's when you lose money. You want to go when it's dips, because this thing always compounds higher. It never doesn't compound higher. It's like this is the time to buy. Like you look at Bitcoin Cash, it's down right now. Ripple is up. Ripple is a really good one. Let's see if there's any other ones that are up. BitConnect is up. BitConnect's always been popular. All these ones that are on the dips are good ones to buy. Tether is usually about $1. We have Litecoin on here. If you look at Litecoin, it's down 11%. Let's see how. Let's check out like the graph on how much it's been, so you can kind of see what's going on here. So if you look at Litecoin, you can kind of see on here. We'll look at we'll look at basically the 3-month. There's a 3-month graph of Litecoin. So I mean, you used to be able to get it for $98. Look at it, went up, compounded higher, went down. Look, it went down 279, compound higher, 372, and now it's down to 250. So a lot of people, they come on here and they see it going up and they think it's a good time to buy when it's, they're like, oh, it's going up. All my friends are doing it. I don't want to miss out on the trend. So they buy in right there, but that's not actually the good time. If you're smart, you'll realize crypto always goes down, and then you'll start buying on these ups. That's why I bought in at Litecoin on a dip. I think I bought in on it here when it was 272, and holding like 3 or 4 Litecoins. And I think that's just the best way to do it for all these coins. Is it a good time to buy right now? Look at all the ones that are down right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Obviously that one's going to be good. They just opened it up for BitPay. Even if they thought inside trader happened on Coinbase, I mean, Coinbase is going to now accept that one. Litecoin, IOTA down 20%. Dash is doing really good. You can mine Dash on, people are mining Dash on one of the biggest mining networks, which is Bitclub, for mining pools. They do like Ethereum, Zcash. I mean, even looking at Ethereum, you could have bought this thing for so cheap, like a little while ago. You could have came in. Let's look at like when it first started. This is in March, $49. Then it goes up to $373. Now it's at 697, and now it's down. All right, it was seven. It looks like it was 700, and then it went down to, what is it now at now? Let me try to sneak on here real quick. Okay, now it's at 720 bucks. But look how much it was before. 620. I mean, look at like the 3 month. It was at 450. Now it's at 720, and it got to 8, and now it is at, what is that, 757. So I mean, or 720. So basically, there's really good buys right now. You want to buy on the dips. If you guys are just following my channel for the first time, just know that this is what you're gonna do. You want to buy on the dips. All these coins are good investments. The ones that you don't want to buy right now are ones. I mean, you could if you want, but obviously like Ripple, it's up. You don't want to buy that when it's up. You don't want to buy BitConnect when it's up. You want to buy these all when they go down, and you can kind of tell in this thing that it's always going to happen. So yeah, I recommend doing that. Keeping an eye out. There's a lot of good things in the future for Bitcoin coming out. All these debit cards are going to be coming out. We know that like the banks are getting really hurt by this. We think this is the future because the current trend in our economy is cryptocurrency. Everyone's moving towards that. People don't really have trust anymore in the centralized banking system, and that's why this is getting so big right now. Is the only thing that's stopping it is everyone's joining in because of Bitcoin and the buzzword. And once people get in because of that buzzword, they realize that there's like that Bitcoin can't handle the scalability. The transaction times are really long. The miners fees are a lot. It's kind of just like a dinosaur. Where these other coins, like even Bitcoin Cash is coming out. Ethereum, all the Ethereum tokens, all these other new ones that are coming out. IOTA don't have any transaction fees. They're instantly they're going to start becoming more valuable than Bitcoin will be around, but they'll start becoming more valuable unless the Lightning Network changes. So I think it's good to kind of keep an eye on what's going on. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what was going on in this market because a lot of people are scared, thinking they're going to lose out a lot of money. But the future of Bitcoin looks really bright. And this is just a dip right now because of what I showed you, the Goldman Sachs, or not Goldman Sachs, but like the Litecoin owner Charlie Lee, selling all his Bitcoin, the Coinbase insider trading. There's just, when this stuff happens, the high transaction fees and Bitcoin, when that stuff happens, the value goes down. But the current trend's going to compound. It's going to consolidate and compound higher. So if you guys like my video, definitely follow me on YouTube. Right now, I think my Facebook's down right now. I gotta get it approved and like upload a picture because Facebook has all these weird algorithm rules. But yeah, follow me on YouTube right now. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna make a lot more videos. And if you want to learn how to mine Bitcoin and you like doing like sales and you want to get daily profits, I'm actually mining Bitcoin from Bitclub. So I got my link in the description, and I'll put another link in there for just show you guys how to, like, if you guys want to do ICOs or anything like that. And I'll show you how to buy Bitcoins. I'll have another link on there. So yeah, if you guys like my video, subscribe to my channel. And then hopefully my Facebook will be back up and I'll put it back in the description. But yeah, peace.